you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
Да он просто бессмертный.
Hello, boss. Yeah, Michael. I have a problem.
Et ça c'est gravel ou c'est pas gravel?
Putain, t'as bien fait
¿Cómo terminó? ¿Aló?
Smoke weed every day.
Nah, bro, I gotta be seeing shit, cause like there's no way. There's literally no way. Hey, yo! Freaky ass firefly!
It gets hard after you let it
That's what she said!
Attention, iPhone 6S pour le...
Get the F off my yard!
Madre, ¿cómo vas? Voy bien, comadre. Aquí estoy, avanzando. Y que nos cricriquen. Y no importa porque así nos...
Baba Booey.
My wallet? Yeah, I can get my wallet. Just...
Y'all ain't ever gotta get my eyebrows done no more.
Hey, boy. Hey. Whoa, holy shit.
Yeah, run.
Oh my god.
He's making her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
But he's not a dog.
No vale verga este pedo, güey. Ya había dicho yo que me iba a tomar, güey. Como estaba en el trabajo, güey, dije, no, me llegando, voy a cenar.
Yo, look at this kid's haircut, bro. I'd never get caught lacking with a haircut this bad.
Ese es el paso del canguro. Ese es el paso del canguro.
Let me see.
Please don't call me fat. I prefer the term.
Do you think I just told you to hop for no reason? It's not gonna work again though. It'll work. The same problem. It'll work. Watch your head. He's gonna hit his head. Watch your head.
Pasta for you.
I didn't want ricotta.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah!
I look so beautiful.
क्या मेरे को सस क्या
Pick up the pizza. It looks fine from over here.
Fordragelsen er velkommen ombord. Det er kaptein. Da er alle på plass, så vi er helt klare i cockpit. Skal vi etter hvert snakke.
Sounds so real.
Like it's playing like right in here.
Yo!
This fire is crazy, but yo, look at her nails. I don't know what's more crazy right now. I don't know.
Oh my.